Welcome to your tutorial for using the Wholesale Catalog template in Canva. Let's go over to one of the product layouts and we'll get you working on adding and editing. So first of all, any text that you have, you can edit inside it and change the fonts, the color, anything. So we're going to double click inside, and up on the top you'll see you can change the fonts, you can change the color, and you can change the size as well. So I'm going to go back to what we had. Now you're definitely going to be wanting to upload your own photos. So we're going to go to Uploads right here, and there's a purple button at the top here that's Upload Media, where you can upload either from your photo library or your files on your computer. I'm going to use one that I have here. So you're going to go click and drag it over. And that's as easy as it gets there. I've also included a couple of graphics for you to use for bestsellers and new cards. You can also easily edit that as well. The text you can edit, and you can edit the graphic color as well, like that. Let's go up to Table of Contents. So for this one, you can edit any of the categories here by double clicking inside. So there. So you could say, instead of family, you could delete that and go Mother's Day. And to edit the page numbers, you click, whoops, sorry, I made that move. Didn't intend to do that. Double click inside as well. And you can just delete that one, go back and add in your own number. And to get to the page numbers at the bottom of the pages, same thing, double click, and then you can change those. All right, let's see. Let's go to your pricing and minimums. So on the first page, I'll make it a little smaller. First page, you have a one-page layout, which has your prices, how to order, and your contact info. The second page has only your prices, and that is so that if you have a lot of different categories, a lot of different items that you sell, products, you can have a lot more space there. And if you choose that page, then you're going to want to choose the next page to keep it in line with adding your how to order and your contact info on a separate page. Now everything that is in red is you need to update with your own information. So select that, and then you would edit that, and then you would also go to the font color and change the font color. Because you probably don't want to keep it red. Let's see, now in your wholesale terms, same thing, change all the red text to your own information. I have put in some general wholesale terms. You are going to want to go in and edit it to make sense for you. So like payment terms and billing, that may change. You may have different types of payments you accept. You may have different financial charges if someone's late, or return checks and stuff like that. And at the very end, you'll have a place to put in your email, your info again, and add a logo in here. So for you can either go to Uploads and upload your logo, or I have a pro account, so I do have my own logos in there on an actual place there. So I'm just gonna click and drag, and there, you've got a logo in there. So I hope that made it a little easier for you guys to figure out how to use this. I always like to do a little video to make sure everyone knows how to do it. And thank you so much for downloading, and I'm excited to always be making some more. All right, happy catalog making.